ಬೈಂದೂರಿನ ಯುಬಿಎಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ 79ನೇ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯೋತ್ಸವ ಆಚರಣೆಯು ಸಂಭ್ರಮದಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಪ್ರಧಾನ ಕಾರ್ಯದರ್ಶಿ ಯಶಸ್ವಿ ಬಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಧ್ವಜಾರೋಹಣ ನೆರವೇರಿಸಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದರು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಭಾರತೀಯನೂ ದೇಶದ ಹಿತವನ್ನು ಬಯಸಿ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಯತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯಬೇಕು. ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಯೋಧರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸುವುದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆತ್ತವರಿಗೆ, ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೆ ಗೌರವಿಸುವುದರ ಮೂಲಕ ದೇಶದ ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಪ್ರಜೆಯಾಗಿ ದೇಶವನ್ನು ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ಯಬೇಕು ಎಂದರು.
At first, I would like to wish you a very happy 79th Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Okay. So, every year, sitting or standing here, we talk about our freedom fighters, correct? We talk about their sacrifices, we talk about their struggle, correct? Yes. So, today, I want to ask you, what independence actually means to you? Have you ever questioned it? Have you ever questioned what is independence? What is freedom? Have you? Yes? No? Okay, alright. Let me tell you one small story. You all know Mahatma Gandhi ji, right? So once, during the freedom struggle, he goes to a small village. A boy from a school, maybe just like you, he comes to him and asks, what did kids used to address Mahatma Gandhi ji as? Answers. What did kids address Mahatma Gandhi ji as? Bapu ji, right? So, a kid asks, Bapu, when will India become independent? When will India become free? To which he smiled and he answered, my child, India becomes free when every child in our country gets to go to school. Every child in our country gets 2 full meals a day, and every child in our country can sleep without fear. What a powerful message, right? That means, kids, independence is not just about political freedom. It is about freedom from ignorance, freedom from poverty, freedom from inequality, and freedom from fear.
ಶಾಲೆಯ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕಿ ಅಮಿತಾ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಮಾತನಾಡಿ, ಇಂದು ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂಸ್ಥೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆ ವಿಜೃಂಭಣೆಯಾಗಿ ಆಚರಿಸಲಾಯಿತು ಮತ್ತು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗಾಂಧೀಜಿ, ಸುಭಾಷ್ ಚಂದ್ರ ಬೋಸ್, ನೆಹರು, ಒನಕೆ ಓಬವ್ವ, ಭಗತ್ ಸಿಂಗ್, ಭಾರತ ಮಾತಾ ಮೊದಲಾದ ಸ್ವಾತಂತ್ರ್ಯ ಹೋರಾಟಗಾರರ ವೇಷಭೂಷಣಗಳನ್ನು ಧರಿಸಿದ್ದು, ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಹಲವಾರು ದೇಶಭಕ್ತಿ ಗೀತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರು ಎಂದರು.
At the outset, I would like to wish you all a very happy Independence Day. We are celebrating 79th Independence Day. This independence, this freedom which you had got, was it gifted? Did you all get it as a gift? No? Then how did you get it? We all got this freedom through sacrifice, courage and determination, right? August 15 is not just a date on the calendar. It's a day of pride and reflection too. So how can you be a responsible citizen? I cannot tell you to go and fight at the border, right? Will you? Will you go? No. So how can you be a responsible citizen? We school actually play a vital role in developing the future leaders. It is here we have future leaders future scientists, future engineers, future doctors. It is in the school, right? So, to be a responsible citizen, you can watch it later. To be a responsible citizen, what you can start from today? Respect your elders, respect your teachers, and above all, love your country. Let our actions speak louder than our words. How can you pay tribute to the leaders? By being a good student, good citizen, and by being a good human being.
ಈ ಸಂದರ್ಭ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕೇತರ ವರ್ಗದವರು ಉಪಸ್ಥಿತರಿದ್ದರು. ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವನ್ನು ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿ ಶೈನಾ ನಿರೂಪಿಸಿದ್ರು. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿ ಶ್ರೀವತ್ಸ ಸ್ವಾಗತಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಕಲ್ಪನಾ ವಂದಿಸಿದ್ರು. ಜೆಪಿ ಬಡಕೆರೆ V4 ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಬೈಂದೂರು.